So welcome guys, we are going to log in into the Infinity Free, and I will tell you whole thing. So first you have to just click on the Infinity Free website, then you have to go into the register, and here you can just basically sign up. And I already have an account in Infinity Free, so I will just log it. Or okay, so let me tell you how you can actually sign up also if you are new. Okay, so let me save it, and the link has been sent it. So let me just go inside my mobile phone and just verify it. So yeah, I have successfully verified, and this is the basic thing. Now we have to create an account, choose a subdomain, or if you have purchased the custom domain, then you can use the subdomain. But for demo purpose, I am going to use my subdomain. Just search for the domain, and username will be generated automatically, and yeah, create an account. Now it's done. I just have to go inside the control panel, and I have to approve them. Now this is the hosting panel, you can say. Okay, and you have to install WordPress, so you have to go inside the app installer, and it will just say please allow 20 minutes. So yeah, it's just loaded. I just keep refreshing for I don't know how much, 1-2 minutes, and here is the WordPress. Ta-da! We just have to click on install, right? And just here you just select for HTTP, not HTTPS, but for now you just have to keep it HTTP. And here you can select a password. So let me hide and create a username. It's just Piyush, and the password is a strong password. Okay, so I will just select a basic theme, or no, I will just install it. Okay, congratulations. Da-na-na-na-na. So yeah, we are just, you can basically see it's just started. Don't see your website yet. Please note that it can take 72 hours for new domain name or hosting to start working everywhere. So the thing that we can do it is just wait for some time. Okay, it's 9:09. I will probably wait for some time and check back later. So again, welcome guys. So my domain is finally connected. It took me, I don't know, but today is the next day. So I guess it just took about 6 hours, or maybe in some case it just connected instantly, right? So basically you have to wait. So the domain is connected. Okay, and now we are ready to go. Okay, so this is how you can connect your domain with the Infinity Free hosting. Now if you want to add your own domain, okay, here you can just add it. So here in the domains, you just have to go on add on domain, and you have to add your own domain. So let me tell you, like if I log into my GoDaddy, where I have some domains in this account. Okay, so direct for domain, and here is the tech use. So let's suppose I want to add this, connect this domain with my Infinity Free website, right? So I will just put the tech use and new domain. So add a domain. oh sorry, here .com, and just click on add. Okay, now you have to just connect these two name servers. So if you are new, you just have to go on to DNS settings, and you can buy your domain from anywhere. Okay, so here is in name server, and you just have to change these name servers, right? It's in Cloudflare. I cannot tell you because it's connected for now. Okay, so what you have to basically do is just add these two name servers inside here, enter your own name server, and just replace these two, right, with these two, and then you can just add your domain. Okay, it's that easy, right? And then you have to install the WordPress on that domain. It's that simple. Okay, now this is infinity free demo. Now